If you want to get pin sharp images from your Canon EF 75 to 300mm lens, do this. Today we're going to look at time value or shutter priority. So turn your dial on the to TV or time value 75mm, and you'll see that you can get images handheld with the Canon 75 to 300mm lens by using a higher shutter speed. This is what you get at 75mm and 800 shutter speed. So now we're going to go to 200mm, and you'll see that it looks like it's shaking all over the place. But you get pin sharp images just by using a high shutter speed. Now, if you're a photographer, you probably know this already, but most people who are just coming over to these DSLRs and mirrorless cameras may not know this, so that's why I've done it. So you can see there, we're getting closer. That was on 300mm. Now the last part of this video, you'll see that there's a lot of shake in what appears to be shaking the camera lens. It's not actually the camera lens at all. There's no image stabilization on this lens, but the shaking that you're seeing is the tremors that are coming from you holding it. So it's not a fault of the lens or anything like that, but using a high shutter speed you overcome this stuttering or shaking around. And even though when you look in the viewfinder or in live view like we are now, it looks like it's bouncing around all over the place, you'll see that it locks and it gets an image, and you get pin sharp images handheld. Easy. The advantage of this method is that you don't have to think about ISO or aperture. The camera takes care of all those details automatically, so you can focus on the shot. For more information on this lens, take a look at this video that I did before. And if you found this useful, please do give it a like.